Well, hello students, this is quiz 206 and it's percent applications. You guys are doing awesome and terrific with it. Please remember that we have some equations. We have the part that equals the percent as a decimal. Write as a decimal. This is key right here. Write the percent as a decimal. We got practice writing it as a decimal. If you forgot, divide it by 100. Per cent, per 100. The percent times the whole. Okay, that's the first equation. From that equation, we can find the others, which are division. Now, if it's the whole they're asking you for or the percent they're asking you for, you'll take the part, the partial number, the number that's a chunk of it, and you'll divide it by the percent. Or you'll take the part and divide it by the whole. Again, this is kind of like your quiz percents. If you got 4 out of 5 questions correct and you put that in your calculator, 4 divided by 5, 0.8, but as a percent, it is 80%, 8/10. The correct way to say that decimal, 0.8, is 8/10, or 80/100. Okay, all right, so now onto the calculator. 32 is 40% of what number? The reason I'm okay with you using calculators is because if you don't understand what this is asking, your calculator won't help you. It's just a tool. Remember, you get to do the thinking. So 32 is 40% of what number? Of what number? They're asking for the whole. So hopefully this helps you guys. So they're asking for the whole. In which case, I take a look over here. I'm going to do the part, 32, divided by the percent, written as a decimal. 40% as a decimal is 0.4, 4/10. 32 divided by 0.4, 4/10, 80. Another way you can check this is if you do 32 divided by 80, 40%. 32 is 40% of 80. So great job. Let's go to the next one. 63 is 75% of what number? Of what number? Asking for that whole. They're asking for the whole. So you take the part, which is 63, you divide it by 75%, but not as a whole number. Not like that. Watch this. Oh, you might have this button. Watch what happens. Boom, they changed it to a decimal for you. 84. 63 is 75% of 84. Okay, great job. That's pretty neat, don't you think? I think that's neat. 85 is 20% of what number? Of what number? So they're asking for the whole. 85 divided by 20%, 0.2, 2/10. Do you see what happened there? 85 is 20% of 425. Now, key phrase might be of what number? But watch, the phrasing is so similar. Take a look. Okay, that's the different one. Where's the other one? What number is 40% of 135, 135? Okay, so now they're asking for the part. The part that will be 40% of 135. So it's similar phrasing. Take some time, think about it. What number is 40% of 135? Things we can talk about per and the word of tend to mean multiplication. Per tends to mean division. So you write 40% as a decimal. Boop. You can add that 0 if that makes sense to you, right? That's equivalent, 0.40. 40/100 is equivalent to 4/10. Multiply it by the whole, 135, and we'll see what we get. So if you don't believe me, look, 40% times 135, 54. 54 is 40% of 135. All right, take some time, think about it. Those equations